Hi, LogDog321 here from Backbin.com with the unboxing and first look at the Hoover MaxExtract 60 PressurePro carpet washer. This is the second highest in the Hoover carpet cleaning lineup right now. The only model above it is the MaxExtract 77, which is, I believe, the multi-surface. And the difference between the two is the 77 has a couple more brushes and it comes with an attachment so that you can clean your hard surfaces. But other than that, they should clean pretty similarly. So let's take a look. So, standard tape on the box. And we're just going to cut that right open. And let's see what we got inside. Let's put the knife to the side so I don't cut myself. I get a bottle of Clean Plus all-purpose carpet cleaner and deodorizer. Let's put that down. We'll show you everything in just a second. We get some manuals. We get a nice big piece of cardboard. And we have the machine in pieces, and it looks like it's a do-it-yourself assembly. First we have the tank. Next we have the handle. And then we have the machine itself. Let's put all the cardboard back in the box. Slide the box to the side. And let's get a shot of everything that comes in the box, shall we? Hang on one second, please. Alright, so we have the the solution, manuals, tank, handle, and then the main unit itself. So let's put it together. First thing we're going to do, pull the plastic off, unwrap the hose, and move the hose and the cord to the back, because we're not going to be using them right now. Then we take the screw, which is pre-threaded, and pull it out. So we can take the handle, slide it right on there, and screw it in the back. Now I need my handy dandy screwdriver on the unboxing knife, if I could find it. Here we are. I'm just going to go to the back here. You can see the screw. We are just going to screw that right in. Very easily done. And then if we flip it back around to the front, we have the tank. And let's pull that open and set that in. There we go. That's all you need to do to assemble it. Now let's move all of the plastic out of the way, get this cord wrapped up, and let's show you how it looks. So now as you can see the back, and let me adjust the camera. You can see back here, and we're just going to take this and loop it up. Let's see, how does this go? Where's it going? Going around here. So the inner going around. For the first time, lock that in, around, up, and it should, I don't have, there we go, click right into place. Now I have some slack, so after I'm done with the video, I'll fix that. Then we take the cord, we untie the little cord wrap, if I can get it out. Come on. There we go. Let it all out, and we wrap it up. So far, the first things I noticed is the build quality. It feels much sturdier than the Hoover Steamvac with Clean Surge, which is their lower end model. This machine feels a lot sturdier, whereas that machine felt a bit flimsy at times. This feels very solid, and I don't feel any creaking, any flexing in the plastic. It feels much higher quality. Oh, and there is the tool. I wondered where that went. And then here's your attachment. So we're gonna, oh, there it is. There's a spot on the back for it. And there we go. This is your properly set up Hoover Steamvac 60, or the MaxExtract 60 PressurePro. This is a shot of the front. And let's spin it around and you can see the back. There we go. This has been LogDog321 for VacBin.com. Thank you for watching. Please check out the other videos we have of this machine. We're going to have a review and troubleshooting and maintenance and an attachment review. So check those out. It'll be really cool. Thanks for watching. This has been LogDog321 for VacBin.com. Bye. Hi, LogDog321 here from VacBin.com with the unboxing and first look at the Hoover MaxExtract 60 PressurePro carpet washer. This is the second highest in the Hoover carpet cleaning lineup right now. The only model above it is the MaxExtract 77, which is, I believe, the multi-surface. And the difference between the two is the 77 has a couple more brushes, and it comes with an attachment so that you can clean your hard surfaces. But other than that, they should clean pretty similarly. So let's take a look. So, standard tape on the box. We're just going to cut that